hold a Bachelor of Arts in Interior Architecture from Curtin University and previously worked as a senior project executive at an architectural and design firm. I wanted to learn something different from my past experience, and the digital space sparked my curiosity about how the software and applications are built. That curiosity ultimately led me to the program. The Digital Solution Development Kickstart program was hands-on and required discipline. The lecturers were supportive, and the flexibility of online and in-person formats made learning manageable. But working on practical exercises and team projects helped me understand concepts quickly. I gained a foundation in coding and software development, which really boosts my confidence. It helps me realize that even with a design background, I'm capable of learning technical skills and understanding how digital products are built. After gaining a better understanding of how software development works, I wanted to continue developing my skills in system analysis, software development, and IT projects management. That led me to enroll in the graduate diploma in system analysis as the next step in my learning journey. After completing the program, I plan to apply my assistant analysis and technical skill in roles related to IT systems or digital solutions, where I can approach work more systematically and help improve processes and workflows. My advice is go in with an open mind and stay engaged. If you are willing to learn, the program can really open your doors.